Let's do this.
Hi, welcome to
Explosif Bilds!
I'm Dante.
I'm Ed, i.e. Dad.
Today we are going to build two Lego sets. And I think this guy is excited. He's even getting first proven.
Yeah, who is this guy? It's the Hulk Buster. Why is the Hulk Buster here? Find out towards the end of the show. But the sets we're building today are Lego War Machine and Captain America versus the Red Hulk. Lego sets number 76292 and 76277. What could be going on with all this chaos? Let's find out together. Dante, are you ready?
Yeah, he even did a thumbs up.
Red Hulk is ready. Dante, are you ready?
And Hulk Buster did a thumbs up.
All right, here we go. Builder power! And the story begins. Dante, what's happening? Iron Man just crashed into a new dimension. Thanos must have been behind this. Oh no. But Iron Man recognizes an old ally, but different. Hulk, this is Iron Man. I need your help. What happened? Why are you red? Red Hulk is about to attack Iron Man. Good thing Iron Man is in this Hulkbuster armor. Hulk, this is your friend, Tony Stark. Oh, stop! Get off! This guy's different. He seems to be under control. We detected the anomaly. It's Iron Man, but he's not in our dimension. This guy must be from another dimension. Agent Groot comes in. Pulls away. Captain America and Falcon charges in. You take Tony Stark and I'll take the Hulk. Red Hulk, stop! Tony! Hey, what's going on? This is Falcon. Wow, you're different. I know, you must come from another dimension. Yeah, it was just so fast. Like I got snapped in a flash.
Hulk clap!
Must have been Thanos. You gotta abandon your armor. Red Hulk is raging and out of control.
Hulk!
Let's go!
Hulk clap!
Oh, the shield repels it. Right, Captain America. Tony, are you okay? You're different than my Captain America. I got a lot of explaining to do. The heroes are tuck and tell, but they can't get away fast enough. Hulk is about to engage. Boom! Here comes War Machine. Boom. Here's your tank. Hulk, you need to stand down now. Exactly, perfect Hulk language, especially a red angry Hulk. All right, don't make me do this, Hulk. War Machine, awesome firepower repels the Red Hulk. The good guys are finally getting an advantage. But wait, what's behind the boxes? It's the evil axis of villains. You got Ultron, Lex Luthor, and Superman?
Jinx.
What happened to Superman?
I must have brainwashed him with Ultron. I used my kryptonite. He used his genius inventions.
Oh my gosh, Lex Luthor and Ultron teamed up again. This time, Lex Luthor used kryptonite and Ultron used a bunch of nanobots to mind control Superman. But the good guys doesn't realize that because they don't know who Superman is. He's from a different universe. But they're about to find out how strong he is. They're like, who is this guy?
I think I need a new mech.
Can't have this mech. This one's already spoken for. We'll fight.
Okay, you won't fight me. You'll fight him.
Oh, the Man of Steel is repelling War Machine's blast. They're in a power struggle. You know, they're gonna double team them. But they're matched evenly. Ultron comes in. Hit him with the blaster first. Oh, I'm getting shot by Iron Man Stark Tech. Come in. Pin him down with Ultron. Ultron and Superman had pinned down the War Machine. Ultron lost an arm, but that's okay. Here comes Hulk. Here comes Hulk. Hulk. Smash. War Machine is down. War Machine ejects. Whoa, what just happened?
Finally, a new mech.
Ultron is changing mechs. And now Ultron is taking over War Machine's mech.
I think I can do some modifications to this, but it's like, you can take my audience.
Oh no, Red Hulk. Evil Superman. Lex Luthor. And Stark technology. That's a dangerous combination.
The super superheroes are hopeless.
And Ultron and his newly acquired War Machine mech. The superheroes have tucked tail and ran because they're overpowered.
Where's
And
the
the
plane?
whole bustle machine
Where's the plane?
is inoperable.
They called for backup.
Backup is coming. There's too many. Superman sees it.
Laser beam.
The laser beam. Airplane got hit. Oh no. Black Widow.
Now he comes up to attack it.
Captain America blocks Superman's laser beam. Ding! Let's go. All the superheroes have left.
You scaredy cats.
This is a very, very dark day.
Watch chapter 2.
Stay tuned
Season 2.
for
Season 2.
2. Till then, what do you think about the build, Dante?
We're
The
gonna-
skit's over. Boom. There's a plane.
We're gonna make a big.
Let's put on mixes.
I think we're gonna make a big combiner mech to stop all of them.
Yeah. So here's War Machine.
Okay. Yes, I can. Just that I know how. I know how.
You know how? America.
I got it.
Let's take out the other mechs. So this is a Captain America. So here's our current build for this episode. You have a special agent, Captain America, Falcon. We built War Machine, and a Black Widow jet,
Oh, guys.
and Red Hulk.
Guys. You also should subscribe before Ultron takes over the camera.
Hurry up. Remember to like and subscribe. And Dante, we didn't do our review.
Oh, Ultron.
Come back. All right, so all in all, this set, it was fun to build. We built plenty of mechs before, and the set was about what? 200 pieces a piece?
No. 154, and the other one was 220
Go get the
pieces.
boxes.
Yeah, I said the 154 and 223.
Okay, so the Captain America set was 223 pieces. The War Machine set
Was 554.
was 154.
154.
Yeah, 154.
154.
So they're not big sets, but you get a lot of figures, you get a jet, and you get a mech. It was a very fun build. It's always fun to build with this kid over here. So the set has been Dad built. If you like this video, remember to
Like and subscribe before Ultron takes over the camera again.
Yes. Alright, let's take up back with Ultron. Alright, thank you for watching this long and bearing with us. Our skit was made up. Come back. Our skit was made up on the spot again. But you see where we're going. Now, we're going to get into the more interesting, bigger builds. We got a couple more Titan mechs to build. We got a space cargo ship in the works, Jurassic Park. And as always, just remember, you too can be a builder. Dante, get over here. Dante, get over here.
Like and subscribe.
We gotta do our exit. Alright. Gosh, they just threw me off. You too can be a builder. Now do it.